Hello students, welcome to digital classes of Malla Reddy Memorial School. Today we are going to learn the topic from refraction of light at curved surfaces. Already we learned what is refraction. Now here I want to explain some examples based on refraction. So here I have taken one glass jar and one pencil. First of all we have to take empty glass jar and fill some water in that. Like this, here I have shown. Okay. So after filling the water into the glass jar, keep the pencil inside of the water. Then what you will observe? So there you will observe that the inside of the water, the pencil will bends and the upside part of the pencil and bottom of the pencil both are at deviated. Okay. So the pencil looks like broken inside the water. You can see here, you will observe like this. The pencil looks like broken inside the water. Is it really broke inside the water when we are keeping it inside? Well, this will not broken inside the water. Then how it is looks like broken inside the water? So here when we are keeping the pencil inside the water, there the bending of the light takes place. Already we learned that refraction means bending of light. The light ray travels from away from the normal. Then the light ray is known as refraction of light. So here inside the water the light ray will bends. It will not travels in a straight line. Okay, so the pencil is like this here. So the light ray will comes like this. Then it will not travels like this. It will bends like this. Here two mediums takes place. One is the air medium and one is the water medium. Okay. So when the light ray enters into the water medium, there the bending of the light takes place. That one we are saying that refraction of light. Due to refraction of light, the pencil looks like broken inside of the water. This is the incident ray, right? So the incident ray is after changing the interface between the air and water medium, the light ray will bends. That's why here pencil looks like broken inside the water. You can also see here in a rainy day we will observe rainbow in the sky. The rainbow also bends. It is also not a straight line. The rainbow also bending line takes place. How it is bends means this is also due to refraction of light. And we will observe in the night sky stars. Here this light also we will observe because of the refraction of the light. You can see here in this picture, the tree is face towards the sun. So here you are seeing the shadow of the tree. So how the shadow takes place here? You are seeing here the refraction of light takes place. Here the light ray will fall on the surface of the tree like this and it is bends like this. So here this is a light ray is falling on the tree and here the bending of the light takes place here. Okay, so like this the light ray will fall on this tree and the light ray bends like this. This is due to refraction of the light. Okay, so when any object is face towards the sun or any light, then their bending of the light takes place. That is known as refraction of the light. So here I will give you one more example to understand more about refraction of light. First of all, we have to take one empty vessel. In that empty vessel, keep one coin. Move away from the coin, okay, until you don't see the coin. Okay. So here you can see here the light ray is up to here only. The person who is watching this glass, he is not observing the coin. He is moved away from the coin. Now fill this vessel with some water. So when the vessel is filled with water, there you will observe coin is visible to the person. Now how he is seeing the coin? How it is possible to see the coin? Before, without water in the vessel, the person who is watching this, he is not able to see the coin. Now after filling the water, he is at the same position. He is moved away from the coin only. But now this time he is observing the coin. Then how he is observing the coin here? Yes, here due to bending of the light. So the light ray will travels after entering into the another medium. The light ray bends takes place. This is the air medium and this is the water medium. So when light ray is change the interface from air to water, there the bending of the light takes place. Now the coin appears here in water. So that's why he is observing the coin due to refraction of light. So see here, we are taking two mediums, air medium and glass medium. So when the light ray is incident at the surface of this interface between air and glass, this is the interface between air and glass. So when the light is incident at the interface of this air and glass medium, after this the light ray will travels through the glass medium. You are seeing here the light ray is travels inside of the glass medium. So here the bending of the light takes place. It is not travel through the straight line. Somewhat bending of the light takes place through the glass medium. Yes. So this is the incident ray and this is the refracted ray. So when we draw the normal between these two, that means at the point of incidence we know normal line will be drawn, that is perpendicular to the surface of the mirror. So here the air medium is a rarer medium and glass medium is a denser medium. So what is a rarer medium and denser medium? See here, in this the glass medium is a denser medium and air medium is a rarer medium. Yes, so here the incident ray is travels from glass medium. Yes, so from this interface between glass medium to air medium, the bending of the light takes place here. It is not travels through like this. Somewhat bending of the light is takes place. So we are calling this light ray is a refracted ray. So see here, take the medium 1 as a V1 and medium 2 as a V2. So now in which medium the speed of the light will takes place more? Here V1 is the denser medium, now V2 is the rarer medium. See here, in a before picture, V1 is a air medium, V2 is the glass medium. After we saw that V1 is the glass medium and V2 is the air medium. So from this we can see that when the medium 1 is greater than medium 2, then we can say that that is a denser medium. And when the medium 2 is when medium 1 is lesser than medium 2, then it can say that rarer medium. So you can see here we are seeing air medium and glass medium. So in which the speed of the light will be more, means between these two the ratio of the speed of the light is more in glass medium. Yes. So when we are taken air and water, in water medium the speed of the light will be increases. See here, we know that refraction of light means when the light ray is incident on the interface of the surface between two mediums, the light ray wills travels towards the normal or move away from the normal. So when it is travels towards the normal, then we can say that that is a rarer medium. And when it is move away from the so here when it is moved towards the normal, then we can say that is a denser medium. When the refracted ray is moved towards the normal, then it is denser medium. And when the light ray is moved away from the normal, then we can say that that is a rarer medium. Okay. So you can see here in this picture the denser medium and rarer medium. So in one picture the light ray will be more. Yes. So here in this the rarer medium light is more than denser medium light, and in this denser medium light is more than rarer medium light. Okay. So see here, when the light ray is, that means when the incident ray is make an angle with normal, that is I, then it is known as angle of incidence. The ray is the angle between the incident ray and normal is known as angle of incidence, and the angle between refracted ray and normal is known as angle of refraction. Okay.